Oh, niño, qué horrible.
Horrible. Spanish album. Yeah, that'd be awesome.
Alright, this is a fun game. Everybody say their favorite. You ready?
You guys want to do that?
Everybody say their favorite number out loud at the same time.
Wait, I'm gonna count. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
7's your favorite?
I love that. And obviously a specific number too.
7's got
22.
Seven. Oh, you like 7.
Yours is
I remember
12
saying
too.
that
I
one.
can't
Oh, yeah, I'm
see
sorry.
you.
I'm sorry.
7's the best number.
I came prepared. Okay.
This song is called Holy Bookie. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Watch your steps around these words, 'cause they're gonna get you. They're gonna get you in the end. I swear that it is easy to keep a pretend. Like a crazy. Why can't it be thereafter? Maybe another one. Someday I'll sit thereafter. That's why there's some horrible.
I think I do. I honestly.
Not knowing where to begin, he wore all the wrong clothes, followed all the wrong trends, persecuted for the things he did. Pictured as he was all alone, without a friend to call his own. So he sat on his bed with a thought in his head. What was his that? All were dead, but then he saw.